The secret to decorating a beautiful Christmas tree is simple: style in layers. Putting decorations on a Christmas tree is a time-honored tradition for many households. The elements that go into decorating a Christmas tree, lights, garland, tinsel, and ornaments, are familiar to nearly everyone. Make sure to create a holiday tree that expresses your style, personality, heritage, and surroundings, because the options are limitless. The best Christmas trees are filled with layer upon layer of memories, traditions, and ornaments, both handcrafted and store-bought. Have you decided how you're gonna decorate your tree? There's plenty of Christmas tree ideas you can find online. You can go with handmade ornament ideas that let you put a personal touch on your holiday decor. Once you've found your inspiration, follow these 3 easy steps for decorating a Christmas tree like a pro. How to decorate your Christmas tree like a pro. Getting a dazzling holiday tree doesn't have to be hard work. All it takes is an understanding of how the elements work together and a few easy-to-follow tips from this video. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to decorate a Christmas tree in 3 easy steps. Remember, it's more important for your family to decorate together than to strive for perfect placement. But these 3 steps will ensure that your tree is both beloved and beautiful. Step 1. Fluff and shape branches. Fluffing the branches helps to make your Christmas tree look fuller and more natural. This can be a very time-consuming task, but trust me, the end result is more than worth it. Separate each branch so they can fan out to cover as much area as possible. Don't hesitate to bend individual branches to fill in gaps. Keep in mind that a properly shaped tree is an appealing sight, however minimal or lavish your embellishments may be. Step 2. Start with the lights first. The first step in how to decorate a Christmas tree is adding the lights. Most tree lights come on green or white wire strands, though you can also find different variations now. Always pick a strand color that matches your tree so the wire will be hidden. Illuminating your Christmas tree from the inside out will give it the most sparkly look. Start at the base of the trunk and work your way up. I don't have to do this because my tree comes with a built-in light. Here's our tree. My husband already set it up for me. The Christmas lights are built in. It comes together with the tree. Need to remove the tag. So now let's decorate. Step 3. Hang Christmas tree ornaments. These are the balls that we're gonna put up on the tree. I decided to use silver and gold because last year we used blue and silver. So this time I want gold. Okay, let's put it up. The final step in decorating your tree is to hang your Christmas ornaments. Here's what to consider as you're adding Christmas tree decorations. To highlight your favorite ornaments, place them in major positions on the tree first. Next, hang your bigger ornaments, placing them evenly around the tree. Ornament balls in one color but several sizes and textures will create a nice flow from top to bottom. Hang the bigger ones on the bottom, the smaller ones at the top. Fill in around those ornaments with medium and small size ornaments. Be sure to hang some ornaments closer to the trunk to create depth and interest. They reflect the light to make your tree sparkle from the inside. Make the tree yours by adding specialty items such as handmade ornaments, clip-on ornaments, or icicles. Stand back and study your tree from various angles. I recommend squinting your eyes a little to determine if there are empty areas to fill. Finish the look with a simple tree topper and a festive tree skirt. It's time to put this on top. I like this one, it's gold and with red stones. I'm gonna put this on top of the tree. Okay. That's it. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.